Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my Vivaciously Vibrant Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the double crochet stitch, and the double crochet V-stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. So to begin, you're going to make an even number of chains, like I said, for how wide you want your blanket. I'm going to make 152 chains for my example blanket. So like I said, you're going to make an even number of chains, and I made 152 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 5th chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that's 1 double crochet. These chains and double crochet are going to count as a double crochet V-stitch. You're going to skip 2 chains. Into this next chain, make a double crochet V-stitch, so that's a double crochet, chain, and double crochet all into the same chain together. Skip 2 chains, make a double crochet V in the next one, double crochet, chain, double crochet all in that same chain together. Skip 2 chains, into this next one, make a double crochet V. You're now going to continue this sequence of skipping 2 chains and making a double crochet V into that next chain until you reach the end of your row. At the end of your row, you're going to have 3 chains left. Skip these 2 chains like we have been doing, but only work 1 double crochet into the last chain of this row to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. You're going to skip this first stitch. We're going to be making double crochet V-stitches into previous double crochet V-stitch spaces, so this chain 1 space here. So you're going to make a double crochet V into it. That's a double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet all into that space. Skip to this next space, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet all into that space. Skip to this next one, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet all into that same space. So you're now going to continue to make double crochet V-stitches into previous double crochet V-stitches until you reach the end of your row. Once you reach the end of your row, you're going to have a double crochet and some chains left. As I mentioned earlier, this double crochet and chains count as a double crochet V stitch, so you're going to make a double crochet V into that one, into that space, and then into the tops of these chains right here, you're going to make a double crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for how long you want your blanket. I'm going to continue on making my example blanket, and I will come back when my blanket is complete. So this is how my Afghan turned out. I ended up making 82 rows total for about a throw size. I tend to stick around 55 inches by 60 inches for my throw sized blankets. So that is going to be how to make my Vivaciously Vibrant Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.